What's going on, you guys? It's Stag AV, and today I'm going to take you to the site of an old crashed UAV. Stick around, let's check it out. Well, here it is, you guys. There's a lot of old abandoned military vehicles and equipment out here, and this is definitely one of them. What makes me think that this thing actually did fly at some point is just the damage done to the nose. You can tell it was dropped at some elevation at some point. Also, on the inside here, you can tell there's wires and there's hard fuel lines in there. We'll take a look inside. Let's go have a look at the tail over here. You can see at some point the number 12 was etched onto this, or painted, or stenciled. Looks like there was a cable on the tail at some point too. A chunk missing. This right here appears to be the nose of it. It's hard to tell because of all the damage, but it's heavier than the rest of it and made out of a different material. This is a lot more solid. Flip it over to get a better look. Pretty cool. So what makes this find so bizarre to me is that I found tanks and helicopters and all kinds of things out here, and I can look them up on Google and find out exactly what they are, but with this I can't find anything. I don't know if this was just a prototype that didn't get released to the public, or if this was just a one-time build that they did, but the military does crazy things out here, but this is one of the most bizarre things I think I've seen out here. And I thought it'd be pretty cool to come out here and show you guys. I don't know much about this, the history or anything, but if there's anybody out there that does or has seen anything like this before, comment down below and let us all know, because it's pretty interesting. But well, I think that's all I have for today. But if you like this video, please like and subscribe. There's still plenty of stuff like this you have yet to see out here on the Eglin Reservation. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.